Hello class 12th. Today we'll be discussing some case studies of chapter 11 marketing management. Our first case study is short case study, then also we will read the last questions are asked. Identify the marketing management philosophy adopted by Mansi. Only the philosophy name you have to write down. Identify ही करना है, आपको explain नहीं करना है, ठीक है? And explain this philosophy on the basis of these 2 points. So let's get started. Mansi, a shoe manufacturer for school students, decided to maximize her profit by producing and distributing at large scale and thereby reducing the average cost of production. So now Mansi has adopted which philosophy she has adopted. Here Mansi has adopted production concept by deciding to maximize her profit by producing and distributing at large scale. ठीक है, लार्ज स्केल प्रोडक्शन पे जहाँ पे फोकस होता है वो है प्रोडक्शन कंसेप्ट. ओके, जहाँ पे कि लार्ज स्केल प्रोडक्शन करके और कॉस्ट को रिड्यूस किया जाता है, पर यूनिट कॉस्ट वहाँ पे मिनिमाइज करने का एम या टारगेट सेट किया जाता है. सो philosophy is used by production concept. And now explain this philosophy on the basis of main focus, and second is means and ends. So here you have to give these two main points here. So some firm believes that potential exchange would be realized when the products are inexpensive and are widely available. कुछ जो बिज़नेस फर्म्स होती हैं वो ये सोचती हैं कि जब बहुत ज़्यादा प्रोडक्शन होगा, प्रोडक्ट है वाइडली अवेलेबल होगा, ठीक है, तो वहाँ पे वो इनएक्सपेंसिव होता चला जाएगा और उसके कारण लोग उसको बाय करेंगे. सो मेन फोकस इज़ देयर ऑन द प्रोडक्शन. Okay, by producing more and more, the main focus is to reduce the cost. Okay, and that means and ends. So the means and ends that profit can be maximized by producing on a large scale and reducing the average cost. This makes the product affordable and widely available, which is the key to its success. So its means is to maximize the production and ends to achieve the target production by reducing the cost and to maximize their profits. Okay, now let us see another question. Yes, this next case study is very big, so we will start reading from last line by quoting the lines. आपको quote करनी है. From the above paragraph, state 5 marketing functions undertaken by Neeru and Janak for successful marketing. Marketing functions आपको बताने हैं. जो हमारे 12 marketing functions हैं उसमें से 5 marketing functions जो यहाँ पे डिस्कस हुए हैं, जो यहाँ पे नीरू और जनक ने जो यहाँ पे किए हैं. ठीक है, अब स्टार्ट करते हैं क्वेश्चन की स्टार्टिंग से. सिंस चाइल्डहुड Neeru and Janak had been watching their grandmother producing wheat from the market. Procuring wheat from the market, washing it well, drying it, and getting it converted into atta. They conducted a survey to collect data to identify whether there is a demand for ready-made atta and realized that with the growing number of working women, it is the need of hour of manufacture high quality atta. So the first function of marketing you might have identified with these lines, that they conducted a survey, okay, and they realized that with the growing number of working women it is the need of hour. So from here till here or here also you can write it is the need of the hour. So number of growing working women, okay, so this is the first function. Then they named their product Srijan, okay, and set up Srijan Atta factory at Jaunpur village. So named their product Srijan. This is basically the branding they are doing, okay. And what is branding? Branding means giving a name to your product instead of selling it. Okay. And Srijan Atta Factory at Jamshedpur village. So here to here, the branding. Then next, to penetrate in the market, they decided to keep the price low. So from here till here, they decided to price means low. So here they are pricing, they are deciding the price, they are setting the price. And pricing is the process of fixing the price of a product or service. Okay. Then next is for maintaining smooth flow of their product into the market and avoiding delays in delivery, it was decided to store wheat at SKM Services, which had scientific process and logistic facility, facilitating quick delivery. So now they decided this warehousing services was decided to store wheat at SKM Services, which had scientific process. Okay. So this is the another function of marketing. Okay. And scientific process and logistics remaining quick delivery. But here one more thing is coming, that warehousing and that physical distribution function they have done together. Okay. By deciding that SKM Services will take care of it. Okay. So here you can write down warehousing and physical distribution. Okay. And the next is they also set up an online complaint portal to take care of consumer grievances. So here basically they are doing the function customer support services. So this is the next function. So in this way you can code the lines and write and explain these 5 functions of the marketing management. Now our next case study, it is very small. A consumer products manufacturing company is offering a number of consumer products like toiletries, detergent powder, food products, etc. So identify the element of marketing mix here. Now consumer product manufacturing company, now it is basically offering a number of consumer products. So which mix means which kind of decisions are being taken over here. Okay. तो यहाँ पे प्रोडक्ट से रिलेटेड जो डिसीजंस हैं वो लिए जा रहे हैं, दैट it is offering many product, different detergent powder, food product, toiletries. So basically it is taking the decision of product mix. Okay. So product mix is discussed over here. Okay. Now next case study, let us see. It is also not very big. Then also we can start from the last line. Identify the marketing management philosophy. See, 5 philosophies are there. So which philosophy is discussed? Let us identify. Beauty Products Limited is a natural and ethical beauty brand famous for offering organic beauty products for men and women. The company uses plant-based material for its products and is the number 1 beauty brand in the country. It not only satisfies its customer but also believes in overall protection of the planet. So here it is it does not it not only concentrating about the customer satisfaction, but it also considering the protection of planet. So here basically it is opting the societal concept. ओके जहाँ पे इंडिविजुअल के साथ साथ ये सोसाइटी को भी ध्यान रख रही है. ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे ये सोसाइटल कंसेप्ट यूज हुआ है. ओके. Now let us see our next case study. It is quite big, so the same we will start reading from last. Identify the concept of marketing management which will help manager getting the firm out of the above crisis. मार्केटिंग मैनेजमेंट का यहाँ पे कंसेप्ट पूछा है. ठीक है. अब यहाँ पे मार्केटिंग मैनेजमेंट के कंसेप्ट में जो हमारी जो बेसिकली 4 चीज़ें हैं, दैट पब्लिक रिलेशन, ठीक है, एडवर्टाइजिंग, personal selling and sales promotion. ओके, सेल्स प्रमोशन. तो यहाँ पे बेसिकली हमारे 4 जो मार्केटिंग मैनेजमेंट के कंसेप्ट हैं, इसमें से कौन सा कंसेप्ट यहाँ पे यूज़ हुआ है, तो इन पे हमको फोकस करते हुए आगे बढ़ना है. अब हम स्टार्ट करते हैं हमारे क्वेश्चन के बिगनिंग से. राधा फाउंड अ वर्म crawling out of newly opened Tetra Pak of juice manufactured by a reputed company, Just Limited. She went back to shopkeeper from whom the pack was purchased, who directed her to call up the customer care center. When all her efforts failed, she went to a consumer activist group to seek help. यहाँ से थोड़ा सा हमें पढ़ने से ऐसा लग रहा है कि ये 12 चैप्टर का क्वेश्चन होगा, यानी कि कंज्यूमर प्रोटेक्शन वाला जो चैप्टर है हमारा, उसका क्वेश्चन होगा, बट नहीं. इसीलिए हम नीचे से पढ़ना स्टार्ट करते हैं ताकि हम डिसाइड कर पाएँ कि कौन से चैप्टर का क्वेश्चन है और हम उस पर ही फोकस करें. ओके. The group decided to help Radha and take measures to impose restrictions on the sale of the firm's product of the particular batch and urge customers to refrain from buying the products of the company. Zest Limited lost its image in the market. The CEO gives the responsibility of bringing back the lost image of company to a manager. अब यहाँ पे कौन सा कंसेप्ट जो है मार्केटिंग मैनेजमेंट का वो यूज़ हुआ है, तो बहुत ज़्यादा सिंपल है. ऊपर जो इतना सारा डिस्कशन है वो सारा का सारा आपको सिर्फ और सिर्फ कंफ्यूज करने के लिए है. जो यहाँ पे लास्ट जो हमारा क्वेश्चन पढ़ते ही तो पहले पता चल गया कि 11th चैप्टर का क्वेश्चन है. देन ये जो लास्ट जो 2 लाइन दे रखी हैं, that CEO gives the responsibility of bringing back the lost image of the company to a manager. तो यहाँ पे बेसिकली पब्लिक रिलेशन यहाँ पे जो कंसेप्ट है वो डिस्कस हुआ है. क्यों? क्योंकि पब्लिक रिलेशन ही एक ऐसी जो प्रोसेस कह लो, इसको एक कंटिन्यूस एक्टिविटी कह लो, in which a variety of programs are undertaken by the manager to promote and protect the company's image or its products in the eyes of the public. So here basically public relation concept is being discussed. Okay. So here you have to identify the concept. केवल एक ही मार्क का क्वेश्चन नहीं है, पर ये इतना बड़ा है तो हम लोग डर जाएंगे कि ये क्या है, और आधे तो छोड़ ही देंगे कि नहीं इसको क्या पढ़ना है ना. बट ये सबसे ज़्यादा इजी क्वेश्चन है. नाउ लेट अस डिस्कस our today's last question. See, it is also not very big. We will read the last line first. Name and state the term that is used for this activity. अब अभी तो यहाँ पता नहीं चला कौन से चैप्टर का है. अब हम बिगनिंग से पढ़ते हैं. गरिमा लिमिटेड, a manufacturer of car engines, achieves a breakthrough by developing a car engine which runs over water. This development is effectively communicated by the company to its dealers and prospective customers. Because of this breakthrough, the image of the company has gone up. कुछ आइडिया लग रहा है? The company has also set up a department that advises its top management to adopt such programs which will add to its public image. भाई जहाँ पे कंपनी की इमेज, पब्लिक इमेज, ठीक है, इस तरह के वर्ड्स आ जाते हैं वहाँ पे बस बिना आपको बहुत ज़्यादा दिमाग लगाए यहाँ पे पब्लिक रिलेशन लिखना है. ओके. सो हियर वी एंड आवर टुडेज डिस्कशन. If you have any doubt, you can tell me through your comments. Okay? Stay safe. Thank you. God bless you.